In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft To-Do List on your desktop. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity or simply keep your tasks organized, having quick access to Microsoft To-Do can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in and set this up on your computer. First up, we'll need to open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You'll usually find this as a shopping bag icon at the bottom of your screen, on the taskbar, or in your Start menu. If you can't locate it immediately, don't worry. Simply type Microsoft Store in the search bar near your Start button, and it should pop right up. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look towards the top of the page where you'll see a search bar. Here, you need to type Microsoft To Do and hit Enter. After a moment, you should see it appear in the search results. Go ahead and select Microsoft To Do from the list. Clicking it will take you to a new page with more details about the app. Now at this stage, you'll notice a Get or Install button prominently displayed. Click this button to start downloading and installing the application to your device. This step might take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a quick cup of coffee while you wait. Alright, with the app downloaded and installed, we're now going to create a shortcut for Microsoft To Do on your desktop for easy access. Right-click anywhere on your desktop or on the taskbar if that's your preference. This will bring up a menu. Look for an option called New and hover over it. Another menu will pop up, and from there, you'll choose Shortcut. Here comes an important bit. You'll need to enter the location of the item you want to create a shortcut for. In the field that says Type the location of the item, you're going to type in MS-TODO without the quotes. That's MS-TODO with a colon at the end. This location acts like a direct link to open the Microsoft To Do app. Once you've entered that, click Next. Now you can personalize this shortcut by giving it a name. You might want to call it something identifiable like Microsoft To Do. After naming your shortcut, click Finish, and voila! You'll now find the Microsoft To Do shortcut right on your desktop, ready to use whenever you need to manage your tasks quickly. And there you have it. You've successfully added Microsoft To Do List to your desktop. You can now double-click the icon anytime you want to stay on top of your daily tasks with ease. Happy organizing!